Perhaps Dr. Herbosa or Secretary Herbosa would want to talk about this
Yeah.
Pacific Initiative and this
Yeah.
health tourism initiative that they
So one of the things the president told me when he appointed me was that, why is it that every world leader is asking me for Filipino nurses? So I just discovered we have a soft power. We actually produce about 10,000 nurses, 13,000 leave. So we asked CHED to open up the schools. So inalis na yung embargo on nursing schools. So if you have a product that the whole world wants, why will you stop production of that? You should increase production. And as the world ages, they will need nurses. And some of our nurses that left in the 70s are also aging. So they come home, I call it return migration, because these nurses are now highly trained in high quality healthcare that can train my younger nurses. Actually, they can still teach. And when they retire, they can still teach. So even the doctors that practice in the US, some of them that have retired there actually are doing pro bono work in their communities. Gumagamot sila. So their help, my universal healthcare agenda of the Universal Healthcare Act to provide accessible healthcare to all Filipinos. So, win-win talaga siya for us. For us in the, so we're willing to work with Mr. Eric para mangyari to, because this will be a win. Imagine senior nurses coming here and senior doctors from the US with specialization coming here. There will be a big return migration on tawag ko dyan. We lost them as brain drain, but now they're coming home. We're able to push the Medicare portability.